everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of hi5 account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Make sure you are logging to your account. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the gear icon. Scroll down until you find Logout option. Tap on it. And if you are sure, tap on Logout once again. And this is how you can log out of hi5 account. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.